A coach in every business isn't just a statement. It's a movement to reshape the future of entrepreneurship. We believe no business should have to figure it out all alone. Behind every thriving business is someone offering guidance, challenge, and perspective. That's what a coach brings. Clarity in chaos, strategy in complexity, and accountability when it matters most. This movement is more than just business growth. It's about personal transformation, stronger families, thriving communities, and a better economy. When we build better business people, we build a better world. Coaching should be the standard, not the exception. This is our mission. This is our movement. Let me introduce the ActionCOACH ABoS System Manifesto. This is bigger than business. Behind every ABoS install is a business owner sleeping better at night, a spouse who sees their partner at the dinner table, and a child who gets to grow up with a parent fully present. A leader who finally feels in control. We don't just install systems, we install freedom. We don't just coach companies, we coach people. We don't just drive profits, we drive purpose. ABoS, the operating system for a life well lived. ABoS is the blueprint for building a commercial, profitable enterprise that works without you. So you can step out of the chaos and into clarity. So your team can grow, your business can scale, and your family can thrive. Because a business that works for you works for everyone around you too. 2030, the year of 300,000 transformations. In 2030, we'll install ABoS into 300,000 businesses around the world, not for the sake of a number, but for the sake of what that number means. 300,000 business owners with their time back. 300,000 families reconnecting. 300,000 communities strengthened by thriving local businesses. Over 750,000 installs by then. Millions of lives touched, powered by care, community, accountability, results, education. Our values are not just principles, they are promises. We show up for the people behind the businesses. We measure our success by the smiles at home, the clarity in the boardroom, and the growth that feels good. This is not just coaching, it's a movement. We measure our success by the smiles at home, the clarity in the boardroom, and the growth that feels good. This is not just coaching, it's a movement. We believe in world abundance through business re-education. We believe every business owner deserves to love their life again. We believe systems set people free. And we believe that with ABoS, we're just getting started. Join the movement, install the system, change your life.